Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and I don't know about you, but sometimes I just really crave something crunchy and salty, especially like when we're having movie night in or something. So instead of reaching for the bag of potato chips, I'm making some fried spinach. It's light and incredibly crisp. It's just salty enough to satisfy that craving. When you're frying things, you want to take certain precautions. Only use fresh canola oil. Don't fry anything over an open flame. Use either an electric fryer, induction, or an electric stove. When frying something with a high water content like spinach or kale, make sure you have a tight-fitting lid and protect yourself from splatters and steam. I'm using a Breville Control Freak, and it uses induction heat, and it also has an internal thermometer, so whatever it's cooking stays at a very consistent temperature. Bring the oil to 450 degrees, and working in small batches, very carefully add your spinach. Immediately cover with a tight-fitting lid and fry the spinach for 2 minutes. Remove the spinach with a spider and place it on paper towels. Gently bounce the spinach to remove excess oil. Sprinkle a little garlic salt on it and you've got yourself a healthy alternative to potato chips and so tasty. Here's one. Oops, just throw that anywhere. What a great crunch. These are so good. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, please share it. And if you'd like this recipe and lots of others, just head on over to my blog, lakesidetable.com. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.